Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday. I was gonna say Tuesday. It is Wednesday. Is there any news before I even look at the stock market? Wait a minute. I want to see something. Sunday. Okay, today we have no news. We have some orange folder news, but no heavy impact news. 10 a.m., 10:30, and then well, the U.S. is actually kind of packed with news. Um, Just for the sake of some clarity, I did take another trade on this account and this account, and I profited, I don't know, entry time. I profited about 170 bucks on this one. I think they were actually different. And a little bit more on this one, like 190. I did another trade yesterday, a quick little one. Anyway, let's just go into price today. We have this daily high here, and I marked it out because it's the start of a daily fair value gap. They say shooters. We have an SMT. Daily SMT. They say shooters shoot. Duke Dennis. What's up with you? So we do, whoopsie. We do have a daily SMT, which is pretty nice. I'm also going to mark this out. A liquidity sweep. So we have a liquidity sweep, SMT, SMT. This is liquidity sweep. Let's scale into the 4 hour. We have uh, no 4 hour bearish fair value gap. We have a little 4 hour bullish one here. Okay? And we are tapping into it, and it's so fucking small I can't even. Okay. Bam, we have a little bearish gap here. Nothing bearishly on the 4 hour. This is that 4 hour high. Okay. ES doesn't have this fair value gap. We scale down to the hourly. What do we have? We are in this hourly fair value gap. And we did sweep out these highs here. It's 8:53 by the way, guys. I will mark out this. What the fuck? Assignment created. Midterm. I have a fucking midterm? Oh no. Oh no. March 5th. Oh no. Oh no, chat. Oh no, I have a fucking midterm. March what? 5th? It's due next Wednesday? Please upload a Microsoft Word or Excel or handwritten file containing the corrections you made. Oh, it's a midterm one correction. Did I take a midterm for this class? I don't even remember. Oh, I did. Oh, we could do. I'm gonna actually do that. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted. Let's mark out the high that I placed on this one. So I'm not gonna lie. I think I want to be bullish up until these highs appear. However, if like we have this hourly fair value gap on Nasdaq, right? We tapped into it at 8 o'clock right here. And we gotta change it. Yes, it did. Nothing on the 15 minute necessarily. Let's see. Asians low is down here, and it's sponsored by this volume imbalance. Went up higher, retraced a little bit. This is probably equilibrium of this expansion leg. Yeah, capped it kind of beautifully. Went up higher. Fair value gap went up higher. So, and London's kind of been moving sideways, I'm not gonna lie. And this sell-off is kind of unexpected. Holy shit, we're really selling off. Let's see how we are moving since 8:30. Yeah, time to shit in the bed, mate. All right, well, I want to be bullish. If I'm bearish, what do I want to see? I mean, there is this little 4 hour. Like we are so extremely oversold or whatever. You know, like we fell how much? Fucking 5.6% in like 2 days. Dun, 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 dun. Like Monday we opened up, came down. Tuesday opened up, came down. We haven't really gotten this kind of nice retracement though. We've had kind of like a nice retracement with the club since 11 o'clock a.m. yesterday. Alright, I'm kind of just blabbling. We're gonna end this. We'll see what price wants to do. Bias, I said bullish. Like, we have this 4 hour for value gap. So we would need this shit on the 15-minute. We tapped into it there. We did get a change in the state. However, we put in a lower low. So then another change in the state would be up here. Would be right here. We'll see what, market does first 15 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys at 9:30. And I want to take a peek at gold real quick. Because I haven't looked at gold in a hot minute. Uh, gold right now looks bearish. Say shoot or shoot. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, gold looks bearish. Alright, whatever. We're gonna come back when market opens and we will see what price has decided to do. Okay, I'll see you guys. Oh, this shit's fucking funny. I just took a $500 loss. So normally I would fucking wait, but we had this 15-minute fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap actually too here. I didn't see that we inversed it. Anyway, 1 minute CISD, 1 minute fair value gap. I should have probably waited because I normally wait for a bullish reaction. Um, I normally wait for a bullish reaction out of this 1 minute, but I kind of entered prematurely because we also have SMTs right here where NQ failed to sweep out these highs and ES, did sweep them out. And or ES tapped into a 5 minute fair value gap. No 5 minute fair value gap here. I mean, there's an order block, but this trade got fucked. So that was a $513 loss. Oh my god. And then all of a sudden this shit happens? What the fuck is this? What the fuck was that? Oh, 10 o'clock news. I forgot. That was 10 o'clock news. But Na, na, na. When does the 15-minute candle close? Oh, it closed already. And we closed kind of like this. It's kind of ugly. I said my bias is bullish, right? Did say that, but I thought this short would actually end up working. Maybe it does. I don't know. Well, we took that $500 loss. We'll come. I could have avoided that if I just waited for a fucking con or for a reaction, a bearish reaction. I'm not stressing though. I'm gonna come back probably before I go to school, and we'll see if I have. Well, we'll see if I took another trade. We're gonna have a sit down talk because I'm about to break down in tears. I'm about to break down in tears. Let me just get this out of the way. I didn't blow any accounts. I have the before. I don't know if this was on video. I think it was, but I was down like five something. I'm only down like $40. Yeah, but oh, it's going. But I'm about to break down. I'm not even gonna look at it. We're literally here. I'll explain what happened. So I'm only down $47. I just hit a banger for like 1,000 something for 1,200. But that was after uh this 240 loss, this 630 loss, and then this $500 loss. Was this today? 226. Yeah, so this $500 loss, and then these two wins happened in class, I think. And then a 630 loss, which actually I got fucked on that trade. Bias was right, but it filled me so fucking low. I took it off an inverse and I just got fucked. And then a little win, which is like nothing. That's break even. Another loss, and then luckily I got a $1,200 win. And I'm about to break down in tears. I answered this because we had a 5 minute fair value gap and then a 1 minute inverse. And then I entered right here. And I originally had my stops down there. Peaked at 55 points. I would have been up around $400 today. It's crazy. But I'm honestly done. Today, I'm going to count it as a break even day. So let's talk. Guys, I almost broke down in fucking tears. If I lost that trade, I would have killed myself. Today's Wednesday. Dude, my legs are really sore. Um, One sec. Combine, and then we'll say break even. Um, Hellcat SRT. I'm sliding. Down 47. What are the other accounts down? $17 and $17. Why is these two the same, but then this one, the leader, is a little bit more? I don't know. Anyway, chat, we're gonna have a talk. Let's make this webcam big. I don't think we ever had. Okay, my face looks crazy because I put Vaseline on as a moisturizer. Anyway, um, um, I have so much homework to do, and I've been trading all day, and the screen just flashed. Um, if I can pass these accounts in the next 3 days, that's the goal. Technically, actually, 4 days is fine as well. As long as I've passed these accounts without blowing them. Tomorrow's Thursday. I think tomorrow and Friday we have news. But price action today was shit. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, I want to see some things. You guys won't be able to see it, but yeah, it's going higher. I could have held it, and I'm only thinking like this because it's a combine. I mean, if I was trading an actual Express account, I probably would have taken that which is this is $2,000. I probably would have taken that. It would have been probably like a $300, $200 loss, and I would have been probably done for the day. I would not have kept trading. But because this is a combine, I'm just trying to pass this shit. But like even on the 1 minute, like sideways, big move down, sideways, kind of moving up here. It's 350 though, so I mean I'm fucking done no matter what. I do want to see, did this daily SMT hold? It did, but we never. I wanted to see price hit this fucking this hit yesterday's high, and we got so close. Wait a minute, I don't even know. Did ES hit that high? And it did. Oh my god, that's why. I can't really see though. This is Tuesday, right? Yeah. We hit it on ES. Oh, so we have an SMT in both directions. Are these the highs up here? It is. Okay. This telling me that price really is bearish. I might go into tomorrow being bearish. Anyway, so as of now, it's holding, but we created another daily SMT where ES took out yesterday's high and NQ hasn't. I didn't notice that until just now. Anyway, when I took when I took the trade before, my face is so shiny because I put fucking Vaseline on. Anyway, when I took that trade and I was in it, like the one where I profited 1200, I didn't over leverage or anything. I still entered with 15 and I was risking like 400 or 500 bucks. So it was really like that's really a nice trade. if it did it if I didn't, have all the bullshit before. But I think and that's all honestly like the first 5 minutes fair value gap that we like respected nicely. Any 5 minute fair value gaps here? We have one here, which we respected but didn't go anywhere because the bias was lower. 5 minute, nope, 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 nope. Here, disrespected. We've had we've had two fucking 5 minute fair value gaps. And people are gonna tell me that price action today was clean. Are you serious? We have two 5 minute fair value gaps. We had actually plenty of 15s and shit, but then and there was actually a nice short. Um, 15-minute bearish fair value gap was right here, right? Or no, here. And we had a 1 minute change in the state, and we immediately kind of plummeted here. CISD was BAM. I was looking for a reason to enter, but we never actually got it, and then we just kind of fell. But like if you entered right on the change in the state, you would have entered here, and you could put your stops at that high, and then target. Honestly, my target probably would have been at least down here. That never ended up happening, but you were up 70 points at one point, so I would have taken profit. Anyway, I don't know, guys. We got lucky today. We got fucking lucky. My problem behind, like, the way I can become a better trader is all emotions. I'm gonna be honest. It's all just strictly emotions, and like, if I don't like price, don't trade. And I did that, and I didn't trade for like 6 days, 5 days. Or no, it was like, oh yeah, like 5 days, like 5 trading days. Yesterday I think I took only one trade. Oh, actually, that's not true. I took more than one trade, but they were all winners. Hello, but yet because yesterday's price action was nice, or it's been like it was a little bit better. Um, and what happened? I profited 600 on one account, like 700 on one, and then like 800 on another one. Because after I actually uploaded the video, I think I did a little bit more trading, but it was like risk free. Like as soon as it was up 20 bucks, I would put stop loss break even to try and claw my way up. And that ended up netting me like 200 bucks extra. And I showed you guys that in the beginning. But my problem is stopping. The key to me being actually, I don't want to say I'm not profitable. Well, actually, I blew my account. So my my problem with profitability is I need to have a max loss limit, and I think I'm gonna do like a max is 500. Doesn't mean I'm gonna hit 500 every time I lose, but I blew my account on my Express account because I had a $800 loss and then like a $1,400 loss, and that should have never happened. Um, so I'm gonna put on Top Step. You could set it your MLL or yeah, your maximum loss limit. You can set what you want it to be, and you can't change it in a trading day. And I like that. And I'm gonna set it to 500. I'm gonna trade with at most 10, 10 micro contracts. And yeah, but that's when I pass. But like how many days are left? One, two. It goes from 28 to 1. I didn't know that February is 28 days. Anyway, hopefully we could pass this account, or we could pass. Which accounts can we even pass? We could pass this one. We can't pass this one, but we could pass. So we could pass two accounts if I profit like 1,400 bucks, or actually like 1,300 on this. Well, like 1,300 this one. This one's only like 1,250. But if I make about $1,300 tomorrow and then the next day, Friday, two accounts will be passed, and I'll have one left to pass, but it would only need like 200 bucks, 300 bucks. The trade, I want to see how the trade is going. If it's going up, I'm gonna be sad. It's not going up past like 65 points. Okay. Because I mean, it's 356. Market has lost all of its volatility. It was 65 points though. 65 times 15 times 2 is 1950. Wait a minute. I thought it was more than 60. No. I mean, on this one, it's 66. We'll say 65. Is 1950 minus like 1250. I was down. Could have profited 700 bucks. But I mean, I, I was this close. Like this close to blowing the account. I'm rambling. I'm not even gonna edit this fucking video. I got so much shit to do. I don't have time. Um, but thank you guys for watching. But we got lucky today. We're gonna go back tomorrow, clean mind. Um, like I know that my problem is not my strategy and not like my trading. Like when I actually sit down and trade price, um, price movement that I like and that I don't think it's shit. If I trade, I literally had this rope like written down. I think actually I probably written it. Uh, I have shit like oh no trades better than a losing trade. If I don't like price, don't trade. If market is moving sideways or bad, don't trade. My problem is I force trades and I lose, obviously, and that's my problem. So I need to learn when not to trade, which I've been getting pretty good with that. I haven't traded these past 5 days. Well, besides yesterday. Before yesterday, it was like 5 days. Um, and then today, that first loss, I didn't know that we were coming out of an hourly fair value gap. And if you actually were, looking for buys, which I was, which pisses me off, but we hit that hourly fair value gap, a 5 minute CISD, which is time frame alignment. And then there was a 3 minute fair value gap where I probably would have scaled into the 1 minute and looked for an entry because it depends. I probably would have scaled down to the 1 minute and looked for an entry, like a bullish reaction out of the fair value gap. We didn't end up getting that. We inverted the three. This is all from my memory. We inversed the 3 minute. We came down. We swept out the low that formed the 3 minute. So even if you entered off the 3 minute, you got stopped out. But then it went right back up, like 200 points. Like that morning, the AM session moved right at like 9:40 when price fucking went up. You go look at trading for yourself, and we went up a couple hundred points, I think. But that was a nice trade. And I probably, if I took that hourly fair value gap, 5 minute CISD, 3 minute fair value gap, got disrespected. So I don't, that's not really a confluence anymore. But say the fair value gap never got disrespected, I would have waited for a 1 minute confluence, like maybe a strong bullish 1 minute candle out of it, or like a 30-second inverse or something like that. Um, and then we actually got this trade like 2 minutes later because we inversed a bearish 1 minute, so you could have entered there. Um, but yeah, I mean, I got lucky today. We're gonna, try and forget about today mentally so it doesn't affect the rest of the week. Today is Wednesday, so tomorrow we have 8:30 news. So we'll see what happens then. And then Friday we have 8:30 news as well. So we'll see how the market moves. If price action is shit, I might force trades only. I know I just said I wouldn't, but I wouldn't on an express account. I'm gonna try and pass these combines as quick as I can. So that doesn't mean I'll take stupid trades, but it means I'm gonna be looking at the chart maybe 6 hours a day looking for a trade, like I did today. I literally have a fucking headache. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I got fucking lucky, dude. I wonder if you guys can see the screen flashing. I hope not. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.